Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing with us a powerful hair growth oil that you can use to grow back your edges. Before now, my edges were just all gone, like because of bad hairstyling, like doing styles like tight braids, Ghana weaving, excessive wearing of wigs, and all of that. Okay, but since I started using this oil, the hair has been growing. It's not magic. It doesn't happen overnight. But trust me, if you use this thing for minimum of 3 weeks and you're doing it morning and night, you will see improvement. Okay, I think I stopped for a while because of probably the smell. Okay, but now I've formulated something to like douse the smell of the onion. Okay, so it's even better now, but at least for the period I was using it, it really worked. Like there was no single hair around my edges before now. Okay, but now it's growing. So I just show us how to make this remedy, and then once you're doing it, okay, you should avoid all those styles I mentioned, Ghana weaving, all those tight hairstyles. Avoid them completely, and for now, avoid using edge control. Just let the edge rest. Okay, so let's jump into the tutorial very fast. Okay, so you need some slices of onion. This is onion. Okay, so I sliced them 2 bulbs of onion here. Okay, and I washed it, and then we're going to blend this with oil, not water. Yeah, if you use water, the oil might not last for a long time. Okay, so this is my diced onion. This is olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to pour the onion into my blender. Okay, there's still a little bit of there's some drops of water because I rinsed the onion. Then I'm also going to pour the oil into the blender. So basically, I'm blending the onion with the oil. So this is what it looks like after blending. So for the quantity of oil, depends on the quantity of oil you want to make per time. Okay, depend on the quantity actually. So after blending, I'm going to pour this into a dry pot. Okay, now the reason why we're going to fry this is because I want any form of liquid to dry off. Obviously, the onion has liquid also, so I want it to dry off. I want just the oil to prevent any bacteria from growing in the oil. Okay, so at this point I will still add a little bit of oil. Okay, so you can see that the oil is popping out now, but I'll still leave it. And mind you, please don't fry like you're frying egg, please. Very low heat, and stir. So can you see the difference now? You can see that the water content is out. So just do this for about probably 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm adding amla powder to this to reduce the smell because honestly that was what discouraged me from using it when I started using it initially. The smell is very strong, so I'm adding amla powder just to douse the smell, but it's optional. You don't have to add the powder before you start looking for amla all over the place. You can do this. The main ingredient is the onion. The amla is just to douse the smell. So now I'm using my wig cap as my sieve. Okay, I'm going to pour the contents of the pot into the sieve. So what I need is the oil. Okay, so you just leave this for about probably 1 hour, or if you want you can leave it overnight so that the oil will drain properly. So I have my bottles here, you can see. Okay, so it's not like the color of the oil will change completely, but when you perceive the smell, you know that this is onion oil. But guys, ignore the smell. It works, seriously, it works. So this is the remnant. I'm still leaving it in the sieve, for me to say extract more oil. So I have my onion oil here. As you can see, I didn't make much. I didn't want to make too much per time. Okay, once this finished, you can always make another one. So this is what it looks like. So basically, you have to apply this to your hair morning, and it is very, very effective. Okay, but like I said, it was the smell that actually discouraged me initially, but I'm back because I could see the difference. I used it for about 3 or 4 weeks and I saw the huge difference. Like my hair was already going back. Okay, so you just apply this to your scalp. Please don't put too much, just little. And the thing with the smell is under 20-30 minutes it's gone. You just put little, and for me, I use it around just my edges. That is the only part of my hair that was experiencing baldness before now. Okay, just little, and then avoid stuff like edge control for now. Avoid Ghana weaving. Avoid any style that will pull your hair. Okay, even weaving, tight weaving will pull the edges. Just very simple styles. Okay, and then off you go. And do this for 1 month, and you come and give me testimony. So just brush, don't be tempted to do all this edge control. I want to put some styles in front. Just oil and water is fine at the moment. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I forgot to mention, I've been using it for my daughter's edges too, and the edges are back. Let me look for the picture and share with us on the screen. She also had bald edges, but now the edges are back thanks to the onion oil. Okay. Yeah, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and do not forget to like and comment. So you can see the edges I talked about before. Now, God, I used to be so shy of making a hair, but now the edges are back. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.